In the comments of my last video, one of you left a challenge to paint a realistic pomegranate. I really loved the idea, and honestly, it felt like the perfect next step. So I grabbed my tools and started working on it. I started this piece with a light sketch to capture the basic shape of the pomegranate. Once I was happy with the structure, I carefully darkened the lines to refine the form. Before applying color, I erased the darkest pencil lines. This helps keep the painting clean and prevents the outlines from showing through. Then came the base colors. I applied a pale yellow to the top, that crown-like part, and laid a flat wash of red across the entire fruit, making sure to leave a few areas untouched for natural highlights and reflections. As I moved forward, I began layering tones by adjusting the water to paint ratio. The lighter areas had more water for a soft, transparent feel, while the darker parts had less water, creating richer, deeper shades. I gradually built up contrast, bringing the form to life. With each layer, the pomegranate started gaining depth and volume. I mixed burnt sienna with brown to get darker shades. I observed some darker shadow parts on its crown, so I just used black to highlight those shadows. And finally, a subtle shadow beneath the fruit grounded it, giving the drawing a more 3D look. Giving depth effects had become very easy, but you should know how to get control over the water-to-color ratio. To make the surface look even more realistic, I added texture using red and brown colored pencils. This helped me mimic those tiny patterns and natural irregularities on the skin. From sketch to color and details, that's how this realistic pomegranate came together. Make sure you hit the like button if you loved this drawing and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos.